This is your trademark crash course. Down and dirty, like, save, share. Trust me, you're going to come back to this over and over. What is a trademark? A trademark is your brand identity, brand name, logo, slogan, a product name, a service name, your course name, your program name, your podcast name, anything with a unique name within your business, a unique identifier, likely can be protected with a trademark. What exactly is trademark infringement? It is when there is anything similar enough to where consumers are likely to be confused. Let's break that down. The names do not have to be the same. Two businesses can have the same exact name and it not be infringement. Two businesses can have similar but different names and it can be infringement because the name has to be similar and the goods and services also have to be similar. We have Delta Airline, Delta the kitchen sink faucet company. Both have a federal trademark, not infringement, because it is not likely that somebody purchases an airline ticket thinking that they're purchasing a kitchen faucet. Now let's use my law firm as an example, Andrea Sager Law. Speaking of legal names, you also need a trademark if you are doing business with your legal name. Just because you have a legal name does not mean you're legal to conduct business with that name. You can be using your legal name and still be infringing on somebody's trademark. So yes, you still need a trademark if you're using your legal name in business. Now, if there is an Andrew Sager law firm, Andrea Sager Law Firm and Associates, some variation thereof, that is trademark infringement because it is likely my clients may think they're associated with me, they're related to me. However, if somebody has Andrea Sager, the handbag company, not infringement, because it is not likely that my clients are going to think that I have a handbag company. So when you're choosing a business name or naming something new in your business, yes, you want to look on Google, social media, everywhere for the same name, but just because you don't find anything with an exact match does not mean you're in the clear. You need an official trademark search with a trademark attorney, not just any attorney, because some attorneys like to think they can practice trademarks and they royally F it up. Let me know if you want a story time about that because I just got done with a doozy. Anyways, so you absolutely want to make sure that you are filing for everything that you can because the more trademarks you have, the more valuable your business is. The more trademark registrations, anytime there's a potential buyer, they're going to view every trademark registration as more value to the company. Now let's talk about the trademark process. I am very sarcastic about that because pre-COVID, it used to take 6 to 7 months. We file 7 months later, you would have your registration. COVID hit, and it's not that the trademark office was shut down. That many more applications were filed. So many more business owners today than pre-COVID. So you have to make sure you're getting that application filed as soon as possible because it is going to take well over a year from the day you file to the day you're registered. Very few exceptions in there and don't rely on any exceptions. You need to file it as soon as possible because the benefits that come with that registration, chef's kiss. What are the benefits? Well, number one, online enforcement. This is the number one reason if you're an online business owner, this is why you need trademarks as soon as possible. If you find somebody infringing online, submit a takedown. You don't have to sue them. You don't have to send a cease and desist letter. You can do this on your own. We do it for our clients when they file trademarks with us. But if you're a DIYer, you can submit these on your own. So you can, if you find somebody on Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, and they have a very similar name or the same name as yours, you can submit a trademark takedown. Every single online platform will work with you to get that content removed, that account removed. However, you have to have the federal trademark registration. You have to show ownership. And the only way to show ownership is to have that federal trademark registration. That is why you want it as soon as possible. I literally had a phone call yesterday with a client that has the federal registration. He was like, I cannot believe this. I just submitted the takedown and they removed the account within a day. And I was like, yeah, that's the benefit of having a federal trademark registration. So if you need help, AndreaSager.com. I'm currently ranked number 22 out of 40,000 trademark attorneys in the United States. Yes, I am tooting my own horn because I'm very proud of that. I've worked really hard for a lot of small business owners to protect their brand. So if you'd like me to help you protect yours, you know where to find me.